New at 11, public workers in Wisconsin are now facing a setback as Wisconsin Appeals Court restored Act 10, an anti-union law that got rid of collective bargaining rights. Act 10 takes away collective bargaining rights that were lost under a state law in 2011. This Republican-backed law sparked weeks of protests and put Wisconsin in the spotlight as a national battle over union rights ensued. Act 10 has been on hold since December of 2024 when Dane County Circuit Court Judge Jacob Frost struck it down. This case will now go to the Wisconsin Supreme Court, which is, by the way, controlled by liberal justices.